Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Vitamix Immersion Blender. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether the Immersion Blender is worth it. Vitamix Immersion Blender Overview. Whether you wish to blend sauce, baby food, dips, spreads, or create some flavorful dressings, you can achieve all of that with the Vitamix Immersion Blender. This is a simple-to-use blender that you can operate one-handed as you use the other hand to add ingredients smoothly. It comes with 5 variable speed settings, 4-pronged blade, to help you come up with suitable textures for every blend. This immersion blender also has an ergonomic handle design that enhances comfort during use. You can use it to blend some tough ingredients, thanks to its powerful 625-watt motor. What we liked: it can hot blend. Comes with a long cord that enhances convenience. Premium quality build. What we didn't like: it's expensive. The immersion blender does not come with a jar. Features. Performance. This immersion blender is great since it does not struggle to blend most ingredients. Unlike some models that cannot run for more than 1 minute, Vitamix runs for 4 minutes. For this duration, it turns off, but it can easily start again. With that said, it accomplishes most of the blending tasks within a minute. This immersion blender performs excellently when it comes to soups, but struggles with fibrous ingredients such as kale. Design. It features a bright finish and looks great in a high-end kitchen. The immersion blender contains a long, removable shaft that can easily reach the bottom of Dutch ovens. The front only has 2 buttons, one for turning the blender and one for controlling the speed. You'll also like the LED light display that shows you the speed you've chosen. Blade guard. Vitamix also comes with a bell-shaped blade guard meant to minimize suction. This feature increases the flow of ingredients and protects the interior surfaces of your pans and pots as you blend. Who is Vitamix Immersion Blender best suited for? If you don't want to buy a full blender and need a small-sized immersion blender for hot blends, consider the Vitamix Immersion Blender. This model is also ideal for you if you have less kitchen space and don't mind the high price tag. Verdict: should you get Vitamix Immersion Blender? Yes. Vitamix Immersion Blender is worth considering because it's pretty powerful, and it can handle most of the tasks due to its multiple speed settings. I also like it because it's comfortable to hold, had a reasonable runtime, and protects my cookware from scratches. Though you will not get a blending jar with this immersion blender. It is worth it because it's durable, clean, and easy to use. Thanks for watching.